Hi loves, it's Schalathia Nikole and I'm here with another video to show you guys how I achieve these beautiful Ombre Spring Twist. So, if you'd like to see more details, continue watching. So, I purchased this hair from Amazon by Refined Hair, and I have the ombre at the top, and it goes from like a dark 1B to like a medium brown to a 27, and in the back I also have a 1B30. I wanted to do that to my hair because I wanted to have it to give it a little bit dimension. I do not like wearing flat colors. I always have to mix something in there. It's just like in me. I just can't wear just straight blonde or straight 30, you know. It has to blend and, you know, flow together. So in this next clip I will just place a picture of how the hair looked when it came in the package. When I purchased this hair and when I decided to order, I got 6 packs. I did not want to use 3 packs because I know exactly how full I wanted my hair to be, and I know a lot of people, they'll use 3 packs or probably 2.5 packs, but I wanted my hair to have some weight to it. I don't like my hair feeling too light. I don't want to feel like I don't have anything on my head. It's like so super weird. And so you'll see in the next clip with me how I did it and the method that I used to achieve these twists and the products that I also use. So if you really want to purchase this hair, all the information will be down in the description bar. Hello everyone, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did these spring twists. So I looked up like so many tutorials and nothing really worked but the rubber band method. So that's what we're doing today. I basically would part my hair into a box, add whatever moisturizer or oil you're gonna use. I just use gel because I like to, my hair is so fine, I would literally have the twist slip out sometime or the rubber band will slip out. So I'm just going to use gel on my hair. You see you have your little box here, so I'm just going to use the rubber band. Even though it's not perfect, I mean, I really don't care too much about the parts. I just want it to be full, so. So the hair I was using is this Ombre Spring Twist hair I got off of Amazon. When I do my twist, I take 2 strands, make sure they're even, take a crochet needle, and go underneath the rubber band and pull. Make sure the hair doesn't get tangled. Make sure it's even. Go back to the middle and kind of tighten it up. I'll take some Stellar gel. because it's very difficult for me to get it back uniform. I don't know why. And I know how to twist hair. It's just weird with this spring twist hair. Like I have to do extra work. So I try not to fluff it out whenever I'm doing the spring twist. One strand. I'm gonna go under the rubber band. Stellar gel.